You miss long.
Pwede siya diri magkuan ay music ko, na music ko diri concept.
Alumni Hall. This is Alumni Hall. Welcome, Suleimanians. Do you want to go here, Q? Lanay, bird ito. Oh. Falling leaves. Look. You want to go to the ocean? No, why man?
Yes.
Look at the ocean. So pretty.
No, there are plenty of rocks. Hello, hello. Mag-video ko na siya.
Say, di rin ako, man.
Where are you going? You're going to swim? Huh? Swim ka, baby. Sonata?
Say, I love Dumaguete.
You take picture of me? Take picture. Don't forget to bring the water.
Nino, tingnan niyo itong gawa sa balay.
Mas barato rani kaysa taas.
Asa?
Break.
Mahal ni. Hindi mo ka magbato game mo ko?
Inaanan lang o bato.
Pwede sad, kung bato nga lagpad ba?
Or mga broken nga tiles.
Sun is shining bright. Pack your bags, let's go. Feel the summer light. Chasing dreams, you know. Waves are calling now. Sand beneath our feet. Find the way somehow. Heartbeats in the heat. Oh, we're flying high underneath the sky. Summer nights and days in so many ways.
Huwag tanggalan o buwan? Late.
Pwede ka humandang picture, balik na doon dito.
Mag-Watson ko. Uy! Manoy! Kupsi, kupsi! Ali! Ali! There! Uh-oh. Nani, dito ang kuan. Hala! Mag-pay ta, mag-pay. Sa Arnel, oh. Ayun, nagbaybusarin sila sa taas.
Dancing through it all. Magic never fades with each step we make.
There. Achoo. Achoo.
Look at you.
Look at you, Achoo.
Achoo. Gacho ka? Bless you.
Why is that
Sit down.
Take a picture on the table.
Picture, picture, picture.
never
Photo, photo. Smile. Look at Tito. Look at Tito.
Achoo! Achoo! Drink! Open! Yummy!
Maayo kay Tabang.
The watermelon shake.
Tabang? Ara oh. Manay, kuha.
Ayaw sa init kyo. Here kyo, oh. Kyo. Tumali mo kyo, eh.
Okay, go inside.
Look at dito. Hay, natunak. Naman dito ka ng hanger dito sa may...
Look, oh, ang cute.
Love you. See, I love you. Sila si Kuya. Ay, ang naong, ang sinanday
Sad
na.
na siya.
Ay, sana.
Sad siya, why?
Sad na nga expression niya.
Why are you sad, Kyo?
Angry, Kyo, angry.
Angry. What's the angry face? Oh, no. Uy, anak. Oh. That one? That's the angry face?
Angry face.
Uy, may smile de.
Silly.
Silly face.
Cutie face, cutie.
Wow. Wow, this is my face. Wow. Wow, I like it. Ang saan inak? Para sa naong inak mo. Kini kan screen. Kini. Wow, thank you so much. Yay!
All done, thank you. Raindrops? There you go. Okay. What? What? This one? Okay.
Okay, bye.
Nasa una ba? Katong ni Agi. Asa imong daddy kana? Imong twins.
Wala. Puno po. Wala. Stoy, bali ang liog.
Mabali imong
Pinyo.
liog, nak. Mabali.
Blink.
Plankis ni
Wala
ni
kang
daddy.
ay.
Plankis be. Plankis daddy. Agoy. Sige naman ni balik. Magsige ba? Kulti. Sige balintong. Sige balintong.
Patagad man ay, patagad ay.
Tagad ni Daddy.
Patagad ni daddy.
Si hi sa ni Daddy, we. Si hi sa ni Daddy.
Si hi ni daddy. Si hi. Mataga ka, oh.
Diri
Sumasta.
tumbling. Diri tumbling oh. Ay, diri kay floor naman ni.
Agoy, dirigid siya sa daplin ay. Anak, imong kuan, imong anak ko nagsige nag tumbling.
Ha? Unicorn. Dara. Taman si Kuala. Where's Kuala?
Where's Kuala? Get Kuala.
Kuala. Kuala. May bago na kaka-playmate si Unicorn si Kuala. Uy, may kisses pa. More.
Ah, kiss. Kiss unicorn.
More kiss. More kiss. More kiss. More. More kiss.
Hug unicorn. Excited to see his dada.
Clap. If you're happy and you know it,
I'll hold the phone.
if you're happy and you know it, tumbling. If you're happy, saban. Stamp your feet na lang. Uy, tumbling di ay. Sige, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Stamp. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, tumbling.
Feet.
Tumbling.
Ay, feet.
If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Stamp. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Stamp. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Pak. If you're happy and you know it, show your smile. If you're happy and you know it, show your smile. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, show your smile. Next, say next. What's next? Feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, uy, asa man? Say next. Feet yapon? Feet yapon? If you're happy and you know it, kiss mommy. If you're happy and you know it, kiss mommy. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, kiss mommy. Kiss mommy.
Turn around daw.
Turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap. Elad.
Thank you.
Wake up, it's a new day. Dreams are calling.